Hi there guys, welcome to Vapourcore's YouTube channel. I'm the LDN Vapor and today I've got something really stealthy. Guys, today I'm bringing you the brand new Aspire K1 Stealth Mouth to Lung Kit. So guys, this is the latest mouth to lung stealth kit by Aspire and it is called the K1 Stealth Kit. Let me take a quick vape before we get down into the review guys and just show you how it performs. Of course, not a lot of cloud, it is a mouth to lung device. We have the 1.8 nichrome coil and it is at the lowest watts of 8 watts with the widest airflow. So guys, let's take a rip and show you how it performs. Packs a punch, that's for sure. So guys, you'll get the K1 Plus tank. Then of course that will be pre-installed with the 1.8 nichrome BVC coil and then your K1 Stealth mod. Guys, next thing is your warranty card from Aspire. Then of course you have your user manual. And as I'll show you in the box here, you've got your USB wire, which you can't see, there it is there. And your 1.6 ohm BVC coil using nichrome as well. As you can see, honestly, the machining of this being an aluminium body, it is very strong, and I do love the way it has that casing there, so no matter how you drop this guys, the tank is literally not gonna break. Very sturdy design. When you do put that magnetic bottom on, it honestly doesn't rattle at all. Of course, as I've mentioned before, if you do put it on the wrong way, you will hear a rattle and the device won't work. Aspire's latest mouth to lung kit. Guys, let's start with the K1 Stealth mod itself. So, the mod itself is a 1000 milliamp built-in battery using a micro USB charging port, just like so on the back here. And it's got new technology, which is no threading, but it's a magnet connection to the K1 Plus tank. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks to turn the device on. And at the bottom side of the mod is another button for your power output. So you click this 2 times, and as you can see now it's showing 2 lights, which is in the middle at 10 watts. 1, 2 clicks again, showing 3 lights. So for your 12 watts, which is the maximum output, and then 1, 2 clicks again to go down to 1 light, which is at 8 watts. And that's how I prefer to use it. So guys, that is it for the mod itself. Of course, it does have all your short circuit protection and your overheat protection and your 10-second cutoff. Now let's go to the K1 Plus tank. So you can simply grab it out from the drip tip there, or you can just grab it from pulling the 2 sides, just like so. That is there, the K1 Plus tank with a magnetic ring down the bottom. Guys, if you do put this ring the wrong way round, unfortunately the device won't work and it will rattle when you put it in the mod. So just make sure that this magnetic ring you put on correctly. Of course, the K1 Plus tank has anti-lock features. So you've got this at the top and the bottom, which I'll show you now when we go down into how to change the coils on this and how to refill the tank. So simply grab your K1 Stealth mod, then grab your drip tip of the tank, pull it out just like so. So guys, on the bottom base here of the tank, we do have the magnetic ring, which is a magnet holder for the mod. So simply grab your bottom base, grab that bottom ring and slowly anti-clockwise unscrew it until that ring just comes off just like so. And now there's your tank with the usual 510 threading. As you can see, you've got your airflow here, which has quite a few slots, 4 in total, and there's 2, one on this side and one on the other. And as you can see there's a slight gap, and this is the anti-leak system. So to take the coil out, you're gonna have to push this down like a press fit system, and as you can see it goes into the tank just like so. So that bottom base goes in, anti-clockwise unscrew until the coil turns, and then you can let it go and then simply slowly unscrew that bottom base off, just like so. Guys, there it is. Of course, we've not used this coil yet, so of course if we had, we just untwist that, throw it away, and then of course put in your new one. This is of course the pre-installed 1.8 ohm BVC coil from Aspire, and what I'm going to do now, just to have more life of the coil, is I am just going to add some juice to those wick holes there around the coil. So one drop in there, one drop in the next one, and carry on going just like so. Guys, once you've primed your coil just like I have, so insert it back into the tank, screw it down until it won't screw anymore, and then simply find that position to where that press fit goes down. There we go. And now screw it tightly down just like so, and then there we go. That is ready. I like the airflow wide open, so I'm going to open it fully wide. So to fill the tank now, we're going to grab that drip tip, push it down ever so slightly until it clips down, and now we can just slowly undo it anti-clockwise, and this should reveal our fill hole, which has got a cover of silicone just for child protection, just like so, guys. So for today's video, we are using Bordeaux 2 Labarone, which is a strawberry cupcake flavor at 11 milligrams, and this is a 50-50 mix, so it's perfect for this mouth to lung coil. Guys, simply grab your nib, insert it in between that silicone fill hole, and as you can see, you are ready to fill up your tank. And then again, guys, grab that top cap, fit it down just like so, start screwing it clockwise, and then you'll feel that section where you have to press fit it down. There we go. And then slowly hold it down while twisting it clockwise, and then until you feel it go tight, and then you can let go just like so. So remember, of course, guys, you need to remember to put that ring back on, then of course screw it clockwise until tight just like so, and that's it. It is ready. Of course, guys, slip that back into your tank. It is a magnetic connection. Let it sit for 5 minutes just to make sure the coil is wicking properly, and that is it. You are ready to go. Click the device 5 times, which I've already done, and now I can press the fire button and start to vape. Honestly, I've not had a problem with it yet. I love the anti-leak features and the press fit locking systems, and of course you've got the extra safety for child protection, having that silicone leak cover on the fill port. So that definitely is a positive. And of course the magnetic technology to put the tank to a mod. Of course we are seeing more brands using this, and that is a great thing. As we know, as vapors, we have cross-threaded a couple of mods and devices ourselves, so that is another protective feature. Guys, that is all from us here at Vapourcore London and me, the LDN Vapor. If you thought that this video was beneficial, please like and share it. And if you want to see all the latest things we've got coming up, subscribe to the channel now. Also, just before you guys go, please look down in the description. We've given you a discount code to use across the whole website. And guys, until next time, carry on vaping.